So welcome to the BimBakery SUN Path tool for ArchiCAD, and this video is to illustrate the difference between the Pro and the free functionality. So on our screen you can see the Sydney Opera House and the SUN path around the Sydney Opera House. So first part of setting up your project is to make sure that your location settings are correct. So you can see in the ArchiCAD project location, you can select Sydney, which sets up your latitude and your longitude and your UTC. Secondly, you are placing the object and you are having a look at the first page of the user interface. You make sure your location is by ArchiCAD. You set your time zone, your UTC, and the Pro functionality will show you the winter and summer solstice, as well as the solstice arc, and the actual date set in your ArchiCAD view. So if you go into your 3D view settings, you can see the date is set in the view. So we're looking at the 20th of March 2019, and the time is set to 2 o'clock. So that you can see 2 o'clock is where your the sun position is sitting. So you've got the bigger sun. So if we change the sun position to 11 o'clock, which obviously influences your shadows, and we rebuild the interface, or we run the parameter script, it will relocate the sun position. So as you set up different views, you can rebuild the script again, and it will shift the times to face the view or the camera. As well as if you are taking a top view, you will be able to go into the object and into the single day user interface and select horizontal, show horizontal time, and it will show that horizontally for your sun studies. So the big difference between the Pro and the free version is the solstice, as well as the actual sun, or the times along the sun arc based on the date. So if we go into this into the object and we go to the licensing user interface, we remove the code. Straight away you'll see that there's limited functionality, and you'll see parts of the user interface locked down. But you still will be getting a fair amount of functionality. You get the compass, you get the actual sun arc, and you get you can set a sun position. So if we go into that, you can go to the date and location, and you can set your time. So if we set it for 2 o'clock, we can make sure that our location, our longitude and latitude still matches ArchiCAD. The time zone will match ArchiCAD. So unfortunately we cannot automatically pull the UTC, but you can. The globals are available for the longitude and latitude based on the ArchiCAD settings, project settings, but then you can go move your time. And that works pretty well in terms of setting up your views and your shadow studying. So that's free functionality. The moment you want to upgrade, you just go to your licensing, and you'll put the code in that you'll get through the purchase process through the BimBakery.co website, and all the functionality will open itself up and will begin to work. Right, so that's it. So we look forward to your feedback. Let us know what you think about this object, and if it holds any educational value or helps to inform your design decisions. And if you have any additional functionality, let us know, and we'll see if we can work it in. Thank you.